1. The chemical substance used to destroy the weeds in crops is called a herbicide. B. Monoxides. C. Carboxyles. D. Weedicide. The right answer is weedicide. 2. Besides the forest fires as natural source of pollution, the other major sources of pollution are A. Zonal settlement patterns. B. Human activities. C. Falling of meteoroids. D. Nucleated settlement patterns. The right answer is human activities. 3. The natural source of pollution is A. Rainforest. B. Mining for minerals. C. Forest fire. D. Falling meteoroids. The right answer is forest fire. 4. The harmful substance released by power plants in cars is A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. The right answer is carbon dioxide. 5. The kind of land pollution in which salt content rises in land becomes unsuitable for farming is called A. Carbonization of soil. B. Deoxygenating of soil. C. Salinization of soil. D. Oxygenation of soil. The right answer is salinization of soil. 6. The reduce, reuse and recycle principle by which wastes can be reduced is classified as A. Waste organizer principle. B. Waste management principle. C. Principle. D. 3R principle. The right answer is 3R principle. 7. The Kyoto Protocol agreement signed by participating countries and became legally binding in A. 1982, C. 1990, B. 2005, D. 2010. The right answer is 2005. 8. The fuel oils and coal are classified as A. Deoxygenated fuels. B. Eutrophication fuels. C. Fossil fuels. D. Allotropic fuels. The right answer is fossil fuels. 9. During the process of photosynthesis, the element that plants give off is A. Methane. B. Carbon dioxide. E. Oxygen. D. Ethane. The right answer is oxygen. 10. The global warming leads to A. Low level of oxygen. B. High level of oxygen. C. Floods and droughts. D. Rainforest. The right answer is floods and droughts. 11. The large number of organisms can die if there is A. Low level of oxygen. B. Low level of carbon dioxide. C. Low level of methane. D. Low level of ethane. The right answer is low level of oxygen. 12. The waste which takes 3 to 4 weeks to be decomposed in landfill is A. Banana peel. B. Wooden log. C. Disposable diaper. D. Leather shoe. The right answer is A. Banana peel. 13. The waste which takes 80 to 100 years to be decomposed in landfill is A. Paper bag. B. Plastic bag. C. Aluminum can. D. Disposable diaper. The right answer is aluminum can. 14. The layer of atmosphere that absorbs ultraviolet rays from sun is called A. Troposphere. B. Ozone layer. C. Thermosphere. D. Mesosphere. The right answer is by ozone layer. 15. The air condition equipment, leaking refrigerators, spray cans and burning of plastic foams release A. Carboxyles. B. Herbicides. C. Pesticides. D. Chlorofluorocarbon. The right answer is D. Chlorofluorocarbon. 16. The chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, remains in atmosphere for A. 22 to 111 years. B. 30 to 50 years. C. 80 to 90 years. D. 10 to 20 years. The right answer is A. 22 to 111 years. 17. The waste which takes 1 month to be decomposed in landfill is A. Leather shoes. B. Banana peel. C. Plastic bag. D. Paper bag. The right answer is paper bag. 18. The continent whose rivers are most polluted in world is A. Africa, B. Asia, C. North America. D. South America. The right answer is B. Asia. 19. The causes of air pollution includes A. Chlorofluorocarbon, B. Cars and motor vehicles, C. Power plants and industries, D. All of above. The right answer is D. All of above. 20. According to World Health Organization, the percentage of the deaths due to environmental factors is A. 85%, B. 25%, C. 50%, D. 65%. The right answer is B. 25%. 21. The way in which plants die because of dropped level of oxygen is classified as 1. Eutrophication, B. Allotrophication, C. Oxygenation, D. Deoxygenation. The right answer is eutrophication. 20. To the addition of harmful substances that has bad effects on environment and living things is classified as A. Allotrophication, B. Eutrophication, C. Atmospheric pressure, D. Pollution. The right answer is D. Pollution. 23. The poisonous substances that can be present in industrial wastes does not includes A. Phosphates, C. Mercury and lead, B. Nitrates, D. Oxygen. The right answer is D. Oxygen. 24. The Kyoto Protocol Agreement was signed in A. 1997, C. 1985, B. 1990, D. 1980. The right answer is 1997. 25. The document that was drafted by India, Brazil, China, United States and South Africa at meeting under UNFCCC is classified as A. Greenhouse Accord, B. United Nations Accord, C. Copenhagen Accord, D. Denmark Accord. The right answer is Copenhagen Accord. 26. The pollution which occurs by poor disposal of waste and rubbish is classified A. Visual pollution, B. Noise pollution, C. Land pollution, D. Thermal pollution. The right answer is land pollution. 27. The sediments in water blocks the A. Sunlight, C. Carbon dioxide, C. Ethane, D. Methane. The right answer is sunlight. 28. The water that is stored in layer of porous rocks under the ground is called A. Deoxygenated water, B. Underground water, C. Allotropic water, D. Lead water. The right answer is underground water. 29. The rain in which acids are combined is classified as A. Acid rain, B. Allotropic rain, C. Fossil rain, D. Deoxygenated rain. The right answer is A. Acid rain. 30. The salinization of soil is classified as type of A. Land pollution, B. Light pollution, C. Radioactive contamination, D. Noise pollution. The right answer is land pollution. 31. The chemicals that are used to get rid of insects that eat plants and stalks are called A. Carboxide, B. Pesticides, C. Herbicides, D. Homicides. The right answer is pesticides. 32. The diseases that are caused by air pollution includes A. Lung cancer, B. respiratory illness, C. skin disease, D. all of these. The right answer is all of these. 33. The farming activities, sewage, mining activities, and soil erosion are causes of A. thermal pollution, B. visual pollution, C. air pollution, D. noise pollution. The right answer is visual pollution. 34. The major types of pollution includes A. air pollution, B. land pollution, C. water, D. all of these. The right answer is all of these. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.